Hey, it's Paul Preston here, founder of Property Success, and I want to take a moment to thank James Nicholson for an incredible 3 days. I've attended James's 3-day internet marketing training, and I want to say the results that I've been able to get from that and what I've implemented in my business has made a huge difference. I was quite good at presenting on webinars and building great content live, but what I was struggling with was actually getting people into my funnel in the first place. Working with James, who's taught me about the funnels, who's taught me how to generate leads online through social media, did a lot of work around Facebook ads. So not only did he help me get a lot more traffic, it was much more qualified traffic, and also he actually saved me an incredible amount of money because I'm getting that traffic for probably around about 20% of what I was paying for it before. So a massive saving business-wise as well. On top of that, James has actually helped me with what I call my back-end sequences as well. So the follow-up, the automation, really to give our clients, our customers, our new contacts that love, connection, continuity, so that we get to build the trust and the rapport with them and really start to nurture that relationship along. It's been incredible for my speaking business because it means I can reach out to more people and share my message, but also in property as well. I've been able to use everything that I've learned from James and apply it to our property business and helping other people in their property business to generate leads for property as well. So if you are interested in generating leads online, whether it's to build a speaking and training business or to run events or generate more interest for your products, services, or your live trainings or webinars, or whatever it is to build your profile, build your brand, and give lots of follow-up sequences as well, James is certainly the guy that you want to be learning from. So big thanks to James Nicholson, everyone at his business. The 3-day training has been incredible, and I hope to see you there very, very soon.